Hey people, so we are in this place called Gusta, and this is my child tasting a New York croissant. Ayush, how do you say it?
Croissant.
Croissant. Oh, it is. It looks chocolate filled, as you can see.
It's so good.
Yeah,
No more bites for it.
yeah, sure.
So good.
Basically, it's like a warm pastry. This is my child, and I was telling him we could go. We come here before. We rarely come to the same place twice, but I was telling my kids, if you were to take a look, this is how it looks, and this is the menu for the. And oh wow, we have a biscoff. Okay, it's a heart shape. Yeah. Ayush, can you take the first sip or something, Kutu? The first. That's in a heart shape. But honestly, see this drink is for 189. That croissant is for 250. So
Tastes like coffee.
it's on the higher side really.
Tastes like coffee.
So yeah. This is coffee, yeah, essentially. Okay. But this is what it was. Philly cheesesteak fries. This veg sausage, huh? Peruvian. Okay, but I think I might have one of those also.